This is a little walkthrough of my Arduino powered X10 and RFID controlled curtain opener. So first I can use any normal wireless X10 remote and I can close the curtains, which also locks the door. I can open the curtains, which doesn't unlock the door so that it stays locked even if I open the curtains for light. And then I can also use this little switch down here, which I can push down to lock, push up to unlock, push down and hold to close the curtains after it locks the door. Then I can use the remote and open the curtains back up. So on that same system, I can also unlock the door. I can lock the door as well. And what that does is moves a stick in the way of the sliding glass door so that there's no way that I can open it, but if I hit unlock, it'll move the stick out of the way and the door will open freely. And if I hit lock while the door is open, it will wait until the door gets closed via a magnet sensor and then use the servo to move the stick into the way. So the curtains are open and closed through a little gadget that's hacked together from pieces from an old robotics kit that I had lying around. So you got the motor here, and then you got two cylinders here that spin in opposite directions, and wound around them is some fishing line, and that fishing line comes down, connects to the first rung of the curtains, and a magnet on the back of the loop right here triggers magnet sensors here at the all the way open position, and then here's another one at the all the way closed position, and then the fishing line is kept taut by one of these little, I don't even know what they're called, but they give it a little spring tension, and it works great for opening and closing the curtains. So then you've also got RFID for another source of control. So as you can see, the door is locked. Using an RFID card that I've got here in my wallet, I can walk up to this little black box, either inside or outside the glass, and it will unlock the door. And so good example of that is if I'm leaving for the day, I can push and hold my little switch here so that it'll wait for it to lock the door and close the curtains, and then I'll come outside and you can see that curtains are closed and you can just trust that the door is locked. I'll pull on it. But then if I use my wallet and I come up to the RFID reader, scan it, it'll unlock the door, open my curtains, and then I can enter back into the room. So this is all being controlled by ATmega 328 that we got right here. It's got Arduino on it, and it's got my code. And then you've got a H-bridge motor controller here that runs the bidirectional motor to open and close the curtains. And then here we've got lots of plugs so that I could kind of keep everything installed and work on the breadboard outside of this cramped little location. And then it's kind of been pieced together, but that's it in a nutshell. Thanks.